Hello, in front of me I've got DOOGEE T10. In this video I'll show you how to manage File Manager. In the beginning, let's go to Files app, continue, and thanks to Files app you've got access to your internal storage, downloads, images, videos, audio, documents and other and apps files. Then you can go to internal storage itself, save folder and favorites. Next you can use nearby share function to quickly send and receive files. You can use clean function to clean junk files. And in the end you can find trash can. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.